Have a good day, Mom and Sir. I am Yolanda Chawagan Bukarin, 31 years old, high school graduate, Roman Catholic, happily married, and I have two children, ages 13 and 10 years old. I work here in the Philippines as housemaid in 3 years, in one couple and three children, ages 8, 5, and newborn baby. My duties is taking care of them, especially the newborn baby, sleep with them, give them a food, vitamins, cooking, washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and taking care of pets. I also work in Dubai as housemaid in one couple and four children, ages 14, 10, 8, and 2 years old boy. My duties is to give them a food, vitamins, cooking, washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and taking care of pets. I did not finish my contract because my employers terminated me due to relocate. I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a safe country. And at the same time, I want to give a better future for my family, especially the education of my two children. For my future employer, if you choose me as your housemaid, I promise you that I will do my best to serve you and I will follow your rules and I treat your children and love as my own child. And I am hardworking, trustworthy, humble. Thank you and have a good day.